What are examples of cognitive maps? Have you ever thought about how you navigate your world, both physically and socially? Cognitive maps are the mental tools we use to understand and interact with our surroundings. They are not just about knowing where to go, but also about how we perceive our environment. Let's look at some clear examples of cognitive maps in action. First, consider mental maps of physical spaces. When you think about your neighborhood or a city you know well, you create an internal image of that area. This includes landmarks, streets, and distances. For instance, if you visualize the route to a friend's house, you are using a cognitive map. You remember the streets, the shops, and even the parks along the way. Next, we have cultural navigation systems. Some indigenous groups have unique ways of mapping their environment. A great example is the Aboriginal Australians and their songlines. These are songs that encode information about the land, including travel routes and landmarks. These songs serve as oral maps, guiding people through vast territories while also holding cultural significance. Another example is social cognitive maps. These maps help us understand our social networks. When you think about your friends, family, and acquaintances, you mentally map out the connections between them. This helps you navigate social situations and understand cultural norms within your community. Environmental and resource mapping is also an important aspect. In many traditional societies, people have cognitive maps that include knowledge of natural resources. This could be the location of water sources, hunting grounds, or medicinal plants. Such knowledge is often passed down through generations and is essential for survival. Lastly, cognitive maps play a role in urban and community planning. Anthropologists study how different cultures organize their living spaces. These maps influence how communities plan their settlements and allocate public spaces. They reflected the values and beliefs of the people living there. In anthropology, cognitive maps reveal how individuals from various cultures perceive their environment. They show that navigation is not just about physical movement but also about understanding social and cultural contexts. By studying cognitive maps, we can appreciate how humans relate to their surroundings in ways that combine memory, culture, and behavior.